So day 10, I think, one of the peas. So they're colouring up. I haven't had them right direct in the sunlight, just had them just before, just underneath, just purely because of the space on my window ledge. So now, this still feels damp, damp underneath, but I am going to water them down the side of here. So you do that and sort of move it around so that water sort of flows around like that, morning and evening, and these will take considerably longer. So if you want to plant on a rotation, if you want peas to go with them, I'll plant these a good week or 10 days before planting your microgreens, and then you can make a nice salad with these as a base.